What's up, guys? This is your boy Nkubi the entertainer. It's Mogabela umugolo So yeah, we are building we're building a slice golf, and you're gonna see the build from day one. So we are starting it off from the beginning, but I arrived late. I started it before I went to Joburg, and I left for a month, so progress was made without me being available to show you the progress. But right now we're just gonna check it up, and I think we're gonna put in the mat, the ground, this floor mat and ignition switch today. So yeah, we're going there. Let's go and see how this build is going. Kana re bitsa mang a pe swantse be lili mo gona sa tja tell guys, we're quick. Mogabela, we're going to check it out. The new golf is called Mogabela. Let's go and see Mogabela. So we're gonna choose which golf to buy, guys. We're here to buy new golf. So we have to choose one. This one. Gonna have to choose between this one. Gonna choose between this one, this one. Look at this one. This one. The color is blue, so it just gets a new. But nah, this one it's a little bit costly. It's a little bit costly, and our budget is very, very low. So this one, no. And that one is too messed up. That one is too messed up. So wait, we're going with that one. This one is too messed up, guys. You see? You see? There's nothing here. Nothing. See? There's nothing here. So we're not gonna get this one. We're not gonna buy this one. We're not gonna buy this one. No. We buying. Not that one is too costly. Too costly. So we're gonna go to this one wins. This one wins. We're buying this one. Let's get it. Let's go and see it.
Mutsware pele o ra khona o botsa go so nna ba sa ro founela nna ba ro founela applicant ke ngwa ditse nomoro ya
Guys, we have arrived at the place where Mogabela is. Let's go. Yeah, guys, and this is Mogabela. This is the way he looks, and we're gonna bring it back to life. We're gonna bring it back to life. So this is how Mogabela is. And yeah, there's a whole lot of work to do, but we're gonna bring it back to life. The interior is it looks exactly like Tswitswana. This golf, guys, looks exactly like Tswitswana. You can check the dashboard. Mogabela looks exactly like Tswitswana, so we're gonna revamp it. And it's a 5-speed though. See the handbrake is up. This is the owner, and we're gonna
the only thing we should
bring it back to life.
Then the ignition is sharp. So
Emma, leave
it damaged. Katorunya ka leave sharp. Sorry, man. You can switch here. Then I know you're going to chat out.
We look here. So yeah.
Oh, but we couldn't get it. Much of it. No, no. You know.
Oh.
Hey, you like my say, Papa.
ke golo ya le ke no ke tshela thua ke ka go ya tšwa
You get also golf. It's not short, it's a charity.
It's nine. Okay guys, let's check out the Mogabela, and Mogabela is having this OEM rims. Oh yeah. So yeah, there's a whole lot of work to do here, whole lot of work, but we're gonna make it happen. You'll see this car very soon. You'll see that you're actually the best builders. So you can think that this car looks dead, right? But I'm gonna show you. I want it to look best because I am the best in baking. So I'm the best in baking. Check it out. Check the ring. What I love about this car is this light. Wait, man. So this car is the same as Twitch one. Like they are 100% same because I can see the top, the block, the gearbox, the carburetor. Oh, they did that thing that stops water from coming out of that manifold. And water bottle, everything. Guys, we're gonna remove a whole lot of things in here. We're gonna remove a whole lot of things until this car is everything OEM original. So the only thing they changed on Mogabela is one more change. So yeah, something like these rims once went for repainting, because yeah, if you see something like this, means it once went for repainting. But this rims won't last on this car, I can tell you now. So let's go behind. Let's go check it behind. Here, this car is exactly like Twitch1, but they put in velo lights. Hey, these guys, they put in velo lights. Chisa, how's your you come, Dala? This guy is not really happy yet, but you see this face. We're gonna change this face. Welcome to Be My Ride. Welcome to Be My Ride. So I'm gonna show you what we do on Castings and Less. Hello? We're gonna show you what we do here. Welcome. Welcome. The bonnet. It's under E3, so I can't really open it. So long story short, guys, new project loading. I want you to see this car, view it, and I want you to see how it's going to be when it's changed and all beautiful. Meet Mogabela. Yeah, that's the name of this golf, Mogabela. So you'll be seeing it very often on the channel. Very, very often. Don't forget that we got it this way. We're gonna pimp it up. Put your comments in the comment section, guys. Tell us what you think. What would make this car look the best? Because I built Twitch1 through your help. You gave me ideas on what I should do and what I should skip, and those ideas worked. I mean, look at how Twitch1 turned out. So the way he turned out, it was because of your help, and thanks to you guys. It was because of your help. Now help us. Orenda, oh Lamsapan. Now give me you guys the exact way you helped me build Twitch1. Help me build Mogabela. This is Mogabela. Help me build Mogabela. You see that dead and there's no life here. but we're gonna restore it, bring it back to life, and Sly is gonna have a nice, good running golf. You understand? So when he saw what I did with Titwana, he was like, I'm also gonna look for a golf, and then getting this one. So the back door works, bruh.
The back door, yeah.
Does it open? Oh, the tree. Yeah, it works. They already removed the OEM lights. They put velos. Velo lights. And what we are going to do is, first things first, guys. I love painting a car, so this car needs to go for a paint job. After it gets a paint job, which color are you gonna paint it, bro?
Not yet decided. But I want a unique color.
Yeah, pink. Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Mogabela. Meet Mogabela and remember how Mogabela looked. And also, when you see the final product, remember how it was from the first day you saw it, which was this way. So, Afit, let's go and check on Mogabela. There's that aerial thing. The mirrors are okay. The doors not that okay. So I think they're gonna need replacement. A whole lot of things we're going to get to throw away slowly but surely. Yeah, I think the doors only. The doors, I'm not happy with the doors. So the doors out, in with the new ones. And yeah, guys, man, I'm gonna wrap it up. And the lights we are keeping. Keep the lights. Yeah, we're fine now. Like, we're gonna get a tow car and then we're gonna tow it.